Good day, traders. This is Rich with some action on the markets. It's currently 4:16, May 18th, 2020, Monday. And today was an interesting day. We had a big move, big gap up, and you would think everyone was making tons of money, but more on the investment side, it was kind of difficult to make money on the day trading side because everything was so high that it was really hard to continue the moves that they were making in the pre-market. And I was having a difficult time finding some setups, and then I was getting a little beat up around the bush when I was looking for some trades this afternoon. Got off to a really bad start, made that back, and then I kind of chopped around and kind of ended up on a down day. But let's go through it real quick. As you can see, the SPY here closed right here, 28 or 286, and it gapped up to 293, and at the end of the day it got up to like 296. Pretty big day on the SPY. Dow was up about 1,000, but then it dropped down to around 911. So big moves up on the markets. A lot of good news out there, I guess. Still a lot of troublesome times, but still some good news for that matter. So I got my day started with Tesla. I really thought Tesla was going to make its move. It was gapping up big time, and it actually flushed me out. I lost like 3 points on Tesla. So I was down like $90 to start the day within the first 10 minutes, not even. And I was like, come on. And then it moves, and then it makes its move 2 minutes after that. So that kind of sucked. So Tesla was my first trade. The biggest stock of the day was mRNA, and I was looking for a continuation move on this particular candle. What time would that happen? Actually, it was late in the afternoon. I was looking at the pullback here, and look at this pullback right here. I actually got in at 75.81, so I got in at the low of the day. How about that? It went down to 75.66, so it was off by maybe 15 cents or so, and it went all the way up to 85. So we're talking a 10-point move, and I got a point of it. So I got 1 point of that. So that pretty much got me back to even. But I left that trade way too early. I just thought because it was bouncing or coming back down from the top, there's no way it was just gonna lose its steam, and it didn't. It just kept going back up. So in this case, I got out early, and I could have made a fortune, but I blew that one up. And then I got chopped around with some other stocks. I did fund Roku. Roku stood up here. Looking at this candle here, and then the break of the 18 level, which is right about here. I got a nice trade out of that. That put me in the green. And then I got another trade on mRNA, and I lost on that one. And then someone called out a move on Mark. You can see this is where it opened, and I got in at 150. I actually took 1,000 shares at 150. It actually went up to 185. Would have been nice if I held on to it, but I got out on this candle here and made like $50-$60, and it was not bad. I mean, I just got to learn to hold, and it's killing me. So then I was looking at some stupid stocks. I was looking at Qualcomm. The break here, I got in a little early on this candle, and it flushed me out. It did work later on. The two stocks I did miss because they shot me out. I actually triggered on this candle here. I thought it triggered, and I got flushed out hard there. Tried to get it on this move, which is the break of this level here, which is the 40 level. Ran up to 42. Just didn't get to take advantage because it jumped me, and I missed. I don't know if it was my platform or just the speed. I hit the buy button, and it just didn't work. But the biggest trade of the day that I did miss was this BNTX. Everyone was getting on this one. The 54.50 level right here, and it jumped me. And look at this thing, 54.50 in no time. Went to 60.25. So almost $6 in like 40 minutes, an hour. It's frustrating, you know? So that's when I started doing some stupid stuff, and I did take a Tesla trade at the end of the day. That kind of got me back a little bit, but still I was just getting chopped around, and pretty much I did other trades. not what I've been learning, but I was doing other trades, and that's what gets you. I wasn't getting stupid though. I wasn't like double downing and holding, and I was getting out when I should. But just overall, not the best trading day for me, and long way to go for sure. So we have a mentoring session the rest of this week, which should be pretty cool. Hopefully find some good setups in that, and I'll let you know how those go for the rest of the week. So again, I was down $62 on the day, red day. No big deal. Could be a lot worse. It should have been a lot better, always, because most of the trades I did take, other than the other ones, did work. I just missed them or got out too early. So I'll sum it up there. This is Monday. This is Rich. It's 5/18/2020, and you guys have a great week, and we'll see you tomorrow for some more trading price action. Have a good one.